Hey, what's up, VeChain holder? VeChain holder, this is live price prediction of VeChain coin, my friend. But VeChain were very badly falls down in this time, so we will also talk about this, my friend. And I also share my opinion in this video, and I have something very special, good news for all of you. So let's get start this brand video without any doubt. But please, if you are new my channel, subscribe. I have one request to subscribe. Click the red button, subscribe, and also press the bell icon for videos notification. My brothers, VeChain is one of the fastest cryptocurrency, but sometimes this coin were also very badly phased out. So therefore, the holders are very shocked to what we will need to do to get a profit. So I will tell you, my viewers, my subscriber, please don't worry and relax. I hope, my friend, you will get a lot of good profits now, my friends. But please do this what I tell you. My friends, VeChain is one of the fastest cryptocurrencies. So as you can see here, every coin will moving in this circulation. So therefore, at the last point, as you can see, my friends, they will pumps up, but as you can see, my friend, they will pay us down for a short time. So that's clear, my friends. To upcoming time there is a chance so they will move upward, but please holder, if you not starting selling, hold it. I hope they will give you a profit. Whichever holder, please, my friend, I have good news. So the good news is that, my friends, to upcoming time, absolutely the giveaways is coming soon. So if you want to participate now, so be ready and just only win now. Thanks for watching, whichever holder. Please like video and also subscribe our YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.